Tech Show. I'm Uncle Jimmy. We're gonna be doing some repairs today. Why don't you come on in, meet my assistant, or don't meet my assistant. I don't think it really matters. Nobody likes him. All right. So to start things off easy. We're gonna be. Where's my tools? Whatever. We're gonna be repairing this spy watch. Alright, we've started the repairing process. Follow me outside. Alright, next we're gonna do the pressure test. Boy, where is it? Hey, boy, it's your wedding gift, so I suggest you find it. There she is. Ooh, the screen is starting to melt. Hey ladies, welcome back to Uncle Jimmy's Tech Time. Today we're gonna be doing a tear down and rebuild of the spy watch. Now, what do we have in here? Looks crispy. We got the innards.
Let me get a nice shot on that. Hold that up. Nice.
Now's the perfect time. Boy, I know you're growing up, but I want you to have something to remember me. So I want you to give this to your new wife, right, boy? Remember it, boy. Remember the good old days. Welcome back to Uncle Jimmy's Tech Time. Today we're going to be converting what may seem like a old, outdated iPhone 5S into the revolutionary Galaxy S8 Edge. Boy, is that you again? This smells horrible. Boy, you need a stick of deodorant. Okay, so we just finished putting the fresh edges. Now we're just gonna refresh the screen. Woo, that was That's how you do it right.
Can I give it a quick toss?
I just want to take a nice image of this.
Where is it?